Hi, Sherry.
Hi.
We're out here at Chesapeake Bay. Well, actually, we're oceanside of Chesapeake Bay. I don't know if you can make out the bridge tunnels over there or not. That's the fourth and the third. What we're doing, though, is we're going to head over to the high-rise bridge, which is over there. I don't know if you can read that or not. There we go. Let me. Oh, now it decides to start bouncing. It wasn't too bad a little bit ago when we stopped. The day's awful overcast. We're right underneath the high-rise bridge. Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel. That's northbound lanes there. Bunch of boats over there. Not much of a high-rise bridge in the southbound lanes. That's a newer bridge. Well, we're going to be drifting the channel. The edges, really, of the channel. Eastern Shore of Virginia over there. Got about 4 ounces of weight, keeping the bait down the bottom. Oh, Sherry, you got a fish? Sherry, you got a fish. Oh, bring him in, Sherry. Smile for the camera. With one of them little flippy blue fishes. Little tiny thing.
Oh, two blues are better than a shark.
He's got teeth.
Yeah.
I gotta go unhook it for Sherry. Hold on.
Yes, Bill.
When the stoplight is up there.
Oh, it's recording.
That's why he has nothing done.
Okay.
I'm hoping I got your bluefish on here, Sherry. I thought I stopped the camera from recording, and I picked it up from the boat seat, and it was recording on the boat seat. It's hard to see that LCD screen on the back there.
How about the down? Where you at? You got him. You're the first up right here. The biggest line up here on the bridge.
You got another fish, Sherry. Sherry's starting to have fish me here now.
Hey, do you see
What you got?
the charter boats inside the bridge here?
Oh, another little bluefish. Smile. Okay, let me turn this off.